In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change CoinGecko account password. Keeping your password up to date is one of the simplest ways to protect your account, and I'll walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to the official CoinGecko website. For security, type the address directly or use a trusted bookmark and make sure you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can access your account settings. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This is where you access your account-related options. A menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, choose Login and Security. This takes you to the area where you manage authentication and password settings, so you can make changes safely and in one place. On the security page, click Change Password. This opens the password form with fields for your current password and the new one you want to set. Start by typing your current password. Take your time here. Passwords are case sensitive, and a single extra space or character will cause an error. If you can't remember it, use the site's password recovery option before continuing. Next, enter your new password. Choose something strong and unique that you're not using anywhere else. A good approach is a long passphrase or a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words, personal details, or anything that could be guessed. If you use a password manager, generate a secure password and save it there so you don't have to memorize it. Now, confirm your new password by typing it again exactly the same way. This double check helps prevent typos. If the site shows a mismatch, clear both new password fields and retype carefully to ensure consistency. When everything looks correct, click the Change Password button to submit. Wait a moment for the confirmation message. Some services may sign you out of other sessions for safety, so if you're asked to sign back in, that's normal and a good sign that your change has been applied across devices. That's it, your CoinGecko password is updated. As a best practice, review your passwords periodically, never share them, and consider using a reputable password manager to keep track of unique credentials. Enabling additional security features when available can further strengthen your account protection. Thanks for watching, and take a moment now to secure your account while it's top of mind.